Hello everyone, this is Tushar Bhutani with Remax Excellence. We are back. It's that Friday of the week where we come live to you 7 p.m. every Friday on Honey Walia shows, and we present one of our feature listings week by week. And this week we are bringing you another great product out in Weber Greens, brand new semi-detached half duplex, priced at about 439,900. Square feet is about 1,600 square feet, and half duplex, as I said, we will be heading into unique selling points. And we'll also be talking about Weber Greens as a neighborhood in terms of what it has to offer, what kind of amenities we've got, and we'll also be talking about the numbers, what we've seen for numbers in terms of days on market, average selling price, and the average household income in Weber Greens. So moving ahead, why buy this home? We've got our first unique selling point. We've got open to above ceilings in the living room, which is very rare. Most of the duplexes that we've seen in town, they do not have that feature. So we have got glass railings, we have got open to above ceilings with big windows, gives you a great feel, and luxury vinyl plank flooring. We've got electric fireplace with tiles around, and it has very warm feel in the living room. Our second unique selling point is the kitchen. Kitchen, as we always say, is the heart of the house, and we have got a great size kitchen with the island, enough counter space, also have like an eating bar at the back with some spot for some bar stools, and upgraded light fixtures, stainless steel appliance package, 6-piece, including the washer and the dryer, and granite quartz countertop throughout in the kitchen and upstairs, cabinets all the way to the ceiling with 9-foot ceilings on the main floor and in the basement. Keep in mind, we've also got a separate side entrance for a basement with rough-ins in place, so if you do want to plan a secondary suite in the future, you've got that option. We've got windows in the basement. You can easily have like a 1-bedroom suite which you could rent it out in the future. Our third unique selling point is we've got 3 bedrooms plus the bonus and open to above ceiling. So we've got great space in the bedrooms. Master bedroom is a great size and can easily accommodate a king size bed with nightstands, with dressers, enough space in it. And we have got 2 other kid size bedrooms which would easily accommodate a queen size bed, a study desk, and also a bonus room which oversees the open to above ceilings with the glass railing starting from downstairs on the main floor all the way up to the bonus room. So you've got bonus room, and through the glass rails you can actually see down below in the living room, and trust me, it's still a duplex, something which is very rare, a very unique product, and you've not seen this in the market till date. Our next unique selling point is we have got a 4-piece ensuite with the master bedroom. So we've got double sink, we've got a stand-in shower and a seat, which gives you enough space in the bathroom, especially to call it like an owner's suite, and we've got tiles on the floor, so this has a great feel on the inside and gives you enough counter space in the vanity as well to be able to store stuff. Another unique selling point is that it sits on a massive pie-shaped lot. We've got a lot of space in the backyard. Even if you were to do a great size deck and do a storage shed or a fire pit in the back, you've got ample space. This is one of the biggest lots I've seen for a duplex in the market. It sits in a mini cul-de-sac, so you've got enough space out in the front. If you've got kids, they have enough space to be able to play. Enough parking spot. Driveway is longer as well, so you can easily fit 3-4 cars on the driveway as well. So those were our unique selling points. Take a look at this video, which will give you a great idea on the inside finishings. We're using an animated version right now because this duplex is still under construction, but it will still be ready in about 2 months of time. So we are targeting for about September, October possession for these units. Take a look at this video and see for yourself how great the finishings are and how rare this product is. Enjoy the tour. Awesome. So I hope you enjoyed the tour, and if you have any questions, as I said, call me. I would love to be able to come by, show the unit to you in person. We are at a stage where we can walk you through inside duplex to give you an idea on the layout. And also keep in mind, this is not the only unit we have got. We have got 3 more units. We've got an adjoining unit, and we have got another duplex floor plan right next to it on a pie-shaped lot as well, offering slightly more square footage. So call me for more information on it, and we would love to take you in and give you a personal tour. So moving ahead, let's talk about Weber Greens. So Weber Greens is one of the best neighborhoods in west part of town. It's super close to school, commercial plazas, Anthony Henday, Wested Mall, a lot of other amenities close by. So now we will be heading into some numbers for Weber Greens. So right now we've got 10 active listings in Weber Green. The average list price sits at about $495,590. The average household income is $115,000. Average days on market 58 days, which is a decent number. A lot of the sellers would be happy to know that these homes in Weber Greens would sell less than 60 days. So this is based on the last 12 months of MLS activity that we have seen. So the most economical property listed currently in Weber Green sits at about $319,900, which is a condo. It was built in 2013, and it gives you 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and it's approx 1,200 square feet. The most expensive property listed in Weber Greens right now is a single family house, priced at about $698,500, built in 2014, gives you about 5 beds, 4.5 bath, and it has approx 3,300 square feet of living space with the fully finished walkout basement. The cheapest property sold in Weber Greens, based on the MLS activity that we have seen recently, is a townhouse that was 1,375 square feet, which gives you a 3-bed, 2.5 bath, was listed at $299,800, and it sold for $294,000. The most expensive property in Weber Greens that sold last year was a single-family house with 4 beds and 5 baths, over 4,000 square feet of living space, listed at $879,000, and it sold for $863,000. That's it for this week's feature listing show. Hope you enjoyed the tour. Hope you enjoyed our show. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. You have my number. If there's anything else you want us to add in these shows, please let us know. So next week we will be coming back to you with another feature listing of ours in C-Cord. It's a walkout home, ready to move in, single family house, and we will come live to you next week, Friday, 7 p.m. Stay tuned. Thank you.